back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another DIY day with me. My name is Clarizz. Of course, as always, if you haven't subscribed to this awesome channel, make sure that you do so you can see tons of these beautiful DIYs just like this one that we're about to do today. So we are about less than a week from Mother's Day. I mean, I think we have like, well, I don't even know, but definitely wanting to give you some inspo on what to maybe give mom, grandma, or whoever that person may be. This doesn't have to be for Mother's Day as well. It could be for any occasion. I'm sure you're gonna love them because not only are they super easy to make, but they're also so affordable. And you'll find that out in the video, so let's get to it. All right, the first thing that you'll need is a box. This is a beautiful one that I had before. I got it from Michael's. It was about $5, but of course you can go to the dollar store. There's so many different boxes out there. And then now we're gonna take a piece of cardboard, and this is gonna act as our divider between our macarons and also our flowers. Depending on the size of your box, you can actually customize how you want to place your macarons and your flowers, so it's totally up to you how you want it. Now I'm just using some hot glue to glue this all down. And for the part where the flowers go, I'm just going to take some transparent gift wrap paper that you can buy from the dollar store. And we're going to cover the area where the flowers are going to go so that this doesn't get wet. Next, we're going to take some floral foam, and this is also from the dollar store, and we're going to measure how deep and how small we need the space where the flower is going to go. So you probably want to make it low enough so that the stem can go in and so that you can also close the box with the flowers inside. Also, don't forget to soak your foam with water, and if it's rising up, that means there's not enough water, so you need to soak it a little bit more. When you're done, you can go ahead and put that where the plastic goes, and you see how it kind of prevents the box from getting wet because our floral foam has a lot of water in it. You can go ahead and tape down the other part. Don't worry if it's not perfect, you're not going to see this because we will cover it. So where I live, Costco has the best prices for roses. It's 2 dozen for about $20. It's awesome because you can get a lot of flowers out of them, and they come in different colors, and also there's so many different flowers that you can choose from. So you can go ahead and place your flowers where the foam is. And then next we're going to take some tissue paper, and again you can customize the color for this. There's even other ones with some sparkles and glitter, which was really nice, but I like the purple look. And again, Costco has 36 French macarons for $20. I mean, I'm a big fan of macarons, and I love my lingerie ones, which are like $3 per macaron, but these ones are actually decent, and if they're not picky about the macarons, then these are the best bang for your buck. So with about $40, I can make 4 of these if I made them the same size with the same size roses and the same amount of macarons, and just gotta buy the box. They're wonderful gifts, and whoever will receive them will totally love them. I'm loving how this totally turned out. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me know what you think of this tutorial. So hoping that you can make it for somebody super special, or even make it for yourself. I just love the way it looks on like my coffee table. So hope you enjoyed this DIY. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.